So dear students, so here is a problem which is asked in February 2023 JEE mains exams, right? So you can see that this is a problem related to finding the area like between which is enclosed by different curves. So let us see how you can do this problem. First, let us read the statement. It says that the area of the region which is given by this set here is what, right? So the good idea always is to plot the region. Now you can see that here in this case the curves given are very simple. So this is a parabola here, y is equal to x square. We know that this is an upward parabola. Y is equal to x square is an upward parabola whose vertex is at 0 comma 0. So something like this, right? So this is y is equal to x square, and then you have this y is equal to 1. You can look at this point. So this is y is equal to 1, right? So you have this line as y is equal to 1. So we want less than x square and more than y is equal to 1. Okay, so y is equal to x square, and then you have xy is equal to 8. So you want xy less than is equal to 8. So xy is equal to 8 is a hyperbola. Basically this is a rectangular hyperbola, something like this. Okay, let us see the point of intersection. Xy is equal to 8 and you have y is equal to x square. So basically you get x cube is equal to 8. I just put this value of y here. So that gives you x is equal to 2. That gives you x is equal to 2, right? And y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. So let us just draw again, because this point here is 1 comma 1, because this line is y is equal to 1. Then you have the intersection of these two curves, this curve and this curve here, is this point is 2 comma x is 2, y is 8, right? Sorry, y is 4. Okay, 2 comma 4. So this is the point. Now you see what you want xy less than 8. So this is the area you're looking for. And then you want greater than 1. So this is the area you're looking for. And then you want xy less than x square. So this is the area you're looking for. So overall we are looking at this area, this small triangular part. Can you see? Right? So now you have all your points of intersection. So let us find this point of intersection also. This is the point of intersection of this line here and this rectangular hyperbola here. So xy is equal to 8, y is equal to 1. That gives you x is equal to 8. So this point here is 8 comma x is 8 and y is 1. So does that make sense? So this is what you have to find out. Now you see here what you can do is because the curves are different now. This curve is different and this curve is different. So this curve here is y is equal to x square, and this curve here is y is equal to 8 over x. And this point is from 1 to 2, and then 2 to this point is 8. So what we can do is from 1 to 2 and then 2 to 8, right? So what is your y? Y is your x square dx, and then what is your y here? That is 8 by x dx, right? So this is the area. So what I'm doing, so I have something like this, right? So what I'm doing is I'm finding this area, okay, and this area, right? So this sum, and then obviously you have to make sure that you are subtracting this, because this will give you the area between the curve and x-axis. So you have to subtract this area, whole area. How much is this? This point is 1 comma 1, and this point is 8 comma 1. So this is 7 and this is 1. So the area of the rectangle is 7 times 1. So that I have to subtract. So you have to take care of this thing, because y dx, which we are doing here, will give you the area under the curve, between, like, from your curve till x-axis, right? So what is this? This is x cubed by 3 plus 8 log of x, and then you have from 2 to 8 minus 7. So how much is that? That will be, you do the calculations. So how much will be that? That will be 8 cube minus 2 cube over 3 plus 8 log of 8 minus log of 2 minus 7. So you'll get log of 4 here, right? So this will be log of 4 and that I can write as 2 into log 2, so that gives me a 16 times log 2, a minus 7 term here. And how much is this? Can you find out? What is 8 raised to power 3? 64 times 8, so that will be 512 minus 8, so that will be 512 minus 8 is 504, right, divided by 3. And then you can further, let us look at our options. Options are we doing any mistake here? This is x square, right, from 1 to 2. Okay, I'm sorry, this is from 1 to 2, right? So you have to be careful, right? So the limits here are 2 cube minus 1 cube, so that gives you a 7 by 3. Okay, so this is a 7 by 3, okay, minus 7. Okay, so that will give you a 14 by 3, so minus 14 by 3. So your answer is 16 log 2 minus 14 by 3. So this is our answer. So you see, this is a very simple problem, but there are plenty of chances of making mistakes. So I think one mistake which you can make is this part. You may forget to subtract the area of the rectangle. Okay, so this is important. Okay, thank you.